Whoa.
Holy crap.
Right? It's all fresh and blue.
Yeah, it looks amazing.
Oh, that one's gonna go. Wow.
Man, these two spires are huge.
Yeah, don't fall while we're by it. That's wicked. To think that that was just floating, wild.
Look at that. Oh, those are big pieces of ice. Man, that's a lot of ice. That looks like so much more ice than what looked like in your stories.
Really?
Yeah.
That looks like way more than anything I saw in your
Right?
stories.
Like everything in the stories, I was like, oh cool, there's some good sized big chunks in there.
This is like a minefield of good chunks.
This is like,
Ooh.
holy crap.
I see the bar spots where you landed.
Nope, haven't landed there.
Oh, you haven't?
I've been landing up on the sides.
I'm seeing things.
But, I mean, one of the other 44s may have come out here.
It looked like bar marks.
Oh, now we should have put the GoPro out there.
Yeah, I mean,
I don't know why
Lee
you
is
didn't.
pretending like she's a drone here. Jeez, those things are huge. You try and tell people how big they are, and it's so hard for people to comprehend it. Even like this, it's like, you know that is so much bigger than you think. Good gosh.
Wow.
Holy crap.
It's like a skyscraper.
I know.
This is just amazing.
All right, so this will be our playland for a little while today.
Oh my goodness.
Or maybe all day.
Yeah, it
There's
sounds
unlimited potential here.
Okay.
fantastic. John and I brought way too many FPV batteries.
Jake, if we run out of FPV batteries, we're gonna have a lot of content to go through.
Uh-huh, yep. Holy crap, this ice wall.
I'm
What a
telling you.
spectacular
When you
sight.
came down through between those spines, though, that would be just insane to have a follow video, Jake.
Right?
Oh
That's
my
what we
goodness.
kind of tried to do last time, but all the really, really big ones had gone down quite a bit. And so I was just basically going through them with the drone. When
Yeah, I'll bet this collapses and melts pretty fast once it's broken off like this.
I don't know, with the summer we're having, it might stick for a round.
Oh my god, I did see there's a big cold front coming in.
Uh-huh.
I just saw that this morning. That was wild. Right there looks really good on my side. Front hit. Rear looks super solid. It's maybe an inch under the barrel paw, but there is level ground.
All right, Jake, I am going to have you, I'm going to put you to work here.
All right.
So my back of my skid, I'll need a big rock,
Okay.
like a flat rock there.
Gotcha.
Make sure to go around the front.
Yes.
Watch your head.
And
Always.
and then when you're done, in fact, I've got oh, the handheld radio is under my seat, never mind. And then when you're done, come out here at my 1 o'clock and duck down.
Gotcha.
Don't go up the hill.
No.
Okay. He's gonna need like a gigantic rock.
He's looking. I got him on film too. I'm gonna make this like funny music and Jake looking for a rock. This is gonna be hilarious. Is it big enough?
That might be too big, we'll see. Okay. You keep an eye on him
Okay.
and tell me when he says okay.
All right. I'm watching him right now from my camera lens.
Okay, am I up high enough?
You're up high enough? All right. He said okay. He said come down.
Okay.
Come down. Come down. Come down. Come down. What do you think?
I'm just working on getting the collective down, seeing how much we shift.
My side's really close to flat on the ground. It's got maybe a ½ inch underneath the bear paw.
Okay,
Maybe a ½
I
inch.
think we're good.
All right.
So when we get out, we'll have to be really, really careful
Okay.
and just wait till I get the blades completely stopped.
All right. You're not worried about this gravel shifting at all?
No, I don't. I think we're far enough this way for
Okay.
the slough. Like that might slough. Nah, it's not really. It doesn't look like it's gonna slough.
Nah, it's not soaking wet.
That was perfect.
It turned out good.
Yeah.
If you ever see anything else like that was so small, it's like the helicopter's going to want to rock back to
Right.
it.
So that's awesome. It'll take a couple minutes.
Yeah.
If you want to hike out that way, go high.
Go out and go up.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for inviting me down.
Oh my gosh! Thanks for coming down.
Yeah, I was like, the reason, even if the weather was bad, I came is because it's very rare that Jake and I are both in Alaska and able to come down.
Right.
He's always gone, and then this summer more than ever, I'm always gone, so it's like a trifecta.
All right, I'm gonna turn this off.